Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 Error 23 that says contact to mixing bowl interrupted. First of all, ensure that your charging pins, contact pins are dry and clean. So look on the contact pins on the bottom of your mixing bowl and wipe them off with a clean and dry paper towel to ensure they are dry and clean. Then make sure that if you're putting the device in, you're putting it in straight on correctly. And also make sure not to remove the mixing bowl while cooking is in progress. Remove it only if you aren't, if it's not mixing or heating up at that time. And also be careful not to like trip the mixing bowl by an accident, because well, it may happen if you just do something like that. You can see, well, get out. You don't want to do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.